हाय फ्रेंड। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एप्लीकेशन फंडामेंटल ऑफ एंड्रॉयड एप्लीकेशन। मतलब आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं एंड्रॉयड एप्लीकेशन के बारे में पढ़ने वाले हैं और इसके इंट्रोडक्शन के बारे में पढ़ने वाले हैं और इसके डेफिनेशन के बारे में पढ़ने वाले हैं और एक बेहतरीन लेक्चर क्रिएट होने वाला है व्हाट इज एंड्रॉयड एप्लीकेशन। तो आज एक नया लेक्चर क्रिएट कर रहे हैं हम व्हाट इज एंड्रॉयड एप्लीकेशन। तो आप लोग मेरे लेक्चर में लास्ट तक बने रहिएगा और सीखने और समझने की कोशिश करिएगा। तो चलिए चलते हैं अपने लेक्चर की तरफ। तो हमारा फर्स्ट लेक्चर जो क्रिएट हो रहा है यहाँ पे एप्लीकेशन फंडामेंटल्स, मतलब व्हाट इज एप्लीकेशन फंडामेंटल्स एंड्रॉयड एप्लीकेशन। तो इसकी डेफिनेशन इस प्रकार दी हुई है। यह बोल रहा है एंड्रॉयड ऐप कैन बी रिटन यूजिंग Kotlin, the Java programming language, and C++ language. The Android SDK tools compile your code along with any data and resources file into an APK or Android app bundle. An Android package which is achieve file with an .apk suffix content. The contents of an Android app require at runtime and its file that Android power device used to install app. An Android app bundle which an achieve file with an .aab suffix content. The content Android app project includes some additional metadata that is not required at runtime, and AAB is a published format and cannot be installed on Android device. Its defer APK generation and syncing to a later stage. When distribute your app through Google Play, example Google Play service generate optimize APK content only resources code that require the particular device request इंस्टॉल ऑफ द ऐप। मतलब ये क्या बोल रहा है, यह एंड्रॉयड जो है कॉटलिन और जावा प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज और सी प्लस लैंग्वेज को राइट करता है, लिखता है और एसडीके टूल को कंपाइल करता है और फाइल को एपीके को यह डॉट एपीके नाम से एंड्रॉयड एप्लीकेशन सेव होती है। इसे कंटेंट को एंड्रॉयड एप्लीकेशन प्रोवाइड कराता है, रन टाइम में प्रोवाइड कराता है और इसको इंस्टॉल करा करते हैं और इसके डॉट ए बी सफिक्स कंटेंट एंड्रॉयड ऐप प्रोजेक्ट इंक्लूड एडिशनल मेटाडेटा सपोर्ट कर रहा है। और गूगल प्ले इस एग्जांपल है, गूगल प्ले जो सर्विस है। तो एपीके कंटेंट ओनली रिसोर्सेज कोड दैट रिक्वायर पर्टिकुलर डिवाइस टेस्ट इंस्टॉल कर रहा है एप्लीकेशन, ठीक है। और यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में आ रहे हैं हम और इंस्टॉल ऑफ ऐप एंड्रॉयड एप्लीकेशन। यहाँ पे ईच एंड्रॉयड ऐप लाइव सिक्योरिटी सैंडबॉक्स प्रोटेक्टेड बाय फ्लोइंग एंड्रॉयड सिक्योरिटी फीचर। यहाँ पे फर्स्ट क्या बोल रहा है, द एंड्रॉयड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इज मल्टी यूजिंग यूजर लाइनेज सिस्टम विच ईच ऐप डिफरेंट यूजर। सेकंड क्या बोल रहा है, सेकंड बोल रहा है बाय डिफॉल्ट द सिस्टम assign each app unique Linux user ID which used only by the system and is unknown to app. The system set permission for all files is app so that only user ID assigned to app can access them. थर्ड क्या बोल रहा है, each process on virtual machine so app could run is isolation from other apps. फोर्थ क्या बोल रहा है, by default every app run its own Linux process. The Android system start process when any of the app component need to execute then shut down process when it no longer need, when the system must recover memory for other app, ठीक है। इस फोर टाइप को मैंने आपको बताया इंस्टॉल करने के लिए। लाइनक्स के थ्रू इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं इसको और डिफॉल्ट लाइनक्स यूजर आईडी सिस्टम और इसके बाद वर्चुअल मशीन रन टाइम और लाइनक्स प्रोसेस ऐप डिफॉल्ट सिस्टम। यहाँ पे द एंड्रॉयड सिस्टम इम्प्लीमेंट the principle of least privilege, that each app default has access only to components that require to do work no more. This creates very security environment in which an app can access part the system not given permission for. However, our way to app share data other app access system service। मतलब ऐप को शेयर कैसे कर सकते हैं और इसको एक्सेस कैसे कर सकते हैं डेटा से ज़्यादा यहाँ पे मैं एक्सप्लेन करने वाला हूँ। To arrange for two apps share same Linux user ID, which case they are able to access each other file to conserve system resources. App with same user ID can also arrange to run the same Linux process, share the same VM. The app must also be signed with the same certification। इसके बाद an app can be request permission to access device data such as device location, camera and Bluetooth connection. The user has explicit grant this permission. For more information about permission, the rest of this document introduces the following concept: the core framework component that define your app, the manifest file which you declare the component and the required device feature your app, resources the separate from app code, and the let app gracefully optimize its behavior for verified device configuration। बात कर लेते हैं ऐप कंपोनेंट के बारे में। App component essential building block and Android app, each component an entry point through which the system user can entry app. Some component depend on other। ठीक है, इसके कुछ पॉइंट दिए यहाँ पे। There are 4 types app component: activity, first, second service, third broadcast receiver, fourth content provider। इसके बाद बोल रहा है each type service a distinct purpose has a distinct life cycle that define how a component create and destroy the following sections describe the 4 types of app component। एक्टिविटी के बारे में, an activity is the entry point for interacting with the user। It represents single screen with a user interface. For example, an email entry point interacting with user represent single screen with a user interface. For example, email app might have one activity that show list of few email, another activity to compose email, and another activity for reading email. All to the activity work together to form a cohesive user experience. Email app, each one independent of others. A different app can start any one thus activity. Email app allows the, for example, camera app might start activity. Email app composing new email, let the user share a picture. Facility the flowing key interaction between system and app, keeping track of what user currently care what on screen so that the system keep running the process that hosting the activity. First one. Second, knowing which previously user process content stopping activity, the user might return to end priorities, thus process more high, keep them available. Third, helping the app handle having process skilled so that user can return to activity with their previous start restore. 4, providing a way for app to implement user flow between each other and for system to coordinate this flow. The primary example this is share. You implement activity, subclass activity class, more information about the activity class, see introduce activity. A service is a general purpose entry point for keeping on app running is the in background for all kind of reason. It's the component that runs the background, perform long running operation or to perform work remote processes. Service does not provide a user interface. For example, service might play music background with while the user different app, or it might fetch data over network without blocking user interface with the activity. Another component such as the activity can start service and let me run bind to the internet with, and there are two type of service tells the system how to manage an app: start service and bounding service. Two type है स्टार्ट सर्विस है बाउंडिंग सर्विस. टू टाइप सर्विस कौन कौन से? स्टार्ट सर्विस और बाउंडिंग सर्विस. स्टार्ट सर्विस tell the system keep them running until their work complete. This might to be some data synchronize the background, play music even after the user leave the app. Synchronize data is the background or playing music represented different type of start service the system handle differently. First, music playback is something the user directly away and the app communicate. This the app system indicate that want to be the foreground with the notification to tell the user that is the running the AK system priorities keeping the service process running because the user has bad experience that goes to a second, regular background service is not something the user directly away to show system has more freedom is managing the process might let kill restarting the service something later need RAM things that are more implement concert to the user. Bound service because some other app or has said the want to make use the service a bound service provide to API and other process and the system. Now there is a dependency between this process, so is process a bound to service process B system now that need the key process B is a service running for a further if process is something the user care about, then now the process be something user also care about. Because of their flexibility service, the user building block all the kind of higher level system concept like wallpaper, notification, listener, screensaver, input matter, accessibility service, and many other core system feature all the builder service, the application implement, and the system by now when they run. A service implement as subclass service. For more information about a service class, sub service overview. एंड इसके बाद टॉपिक जो आ रहा है ब्रॉडकास्ट रिसीवर. इसकी डेफिनेशन बोल रही है ए ब्रॉडकास्ट रिसीवर इज द कंपोनेंट दैट लेट्स सिस्टम डिलीवर इवेंट टू द ऐप आउटसाइड ऑफ रेगुलर यूजर फ्लो द ऐप द रिस्पांस सिस्टम वाइड ब्रॉडकास्ट announcement because the broadcast receiver are another well defined entry into app system called deliver broadcast even to app that are currently running. So, for example, app schedule for alarm to post notification to tell the user about the upcoming event because the alarm delivered to broadcast receiver the app. There is no need the app to remain running until alarm goes to off. इसके बाद बोल रहा है many broadcasts originate from the system like broadcast announcing that a screen a turn off. The battery is the low of the picture is captured and also initiate broadcast such as the let of the other app. Now the some data downloading device is available then used. All through broadcast receiver don't display user interface can create a status notification alert user when a broadcast event occur. More commonly through the broadcast receiver just a gateway you the component intend to do a very minimum amount of work. Then for instant broadcast receiver might schedule job service to perform the work based on even using job schedule. Broadcast receiver involve app interacting with the each other, so it is important to avoid the security implementation when setting that app. Broadcast receiver implements subclass broadcast receiver. Each broadcast is delivered and an intent object. More information, see the broadcast class. इसके बाद है content provider. A content provider manages the shared set of app data that he can store in file system, SQLite database, on web, on any other preset storage location that app can access through the content provider. Other app query, modify data, content provider permits is an example. Android system provider, content provider manage user content information. Any app the provider permits can query content provider such as the using content data, read the right information about particular person. Implementing the content provider is the abstraction on a database because there is lots of APIs that support the multi than commonly used. However, they have different code purpose for system design perspective. To the system, content provider is the entry point in the app for publish name, data item, identify URI scheme. Thus, app can be decide data content URI namespace, handle the URI entry, turn on the access data. There is a few particular things in the system. The managing app. First part बोल रहा है assign the URI does not require that app remaining the running the URI can persist after their owning app exits. The system only need to make sure that the owning app is still running when it receiver app data from corresponding URI. Thus, URI also provide implement find the grain the security model. Example app can place the URI image has the clipboard but leave the content provider lock up the so other apps cannot be free access the when a second app attempt to access the URI with this clipboard. The system can let app access the data URI temporary URI permission grant that it access data behind the URI nothing as of the second app. Provider are also used for reading and write data private to your app and not share. Content provider implements subclass of content provider must implement standard that set the API enable other app perform a transaction. More information the content provider development guide. यहाँ पे activity component and synchronize the message called in the intent activity 3 or 4 component type activity service and broadcast receiver intent bind the individual component to each other runtime. You can think of them as a messenger that request and action other component when a component belong your app and another. And intent create with the intent object to define message activity as a specific component. First, for activity service and intent defined as action performed such as the view of the something and the might specific URI data and the among other thing component being a share might need how. For example, an intent might query request and activity show the image app web page. In the some case your start activity receive result with case of the activity also return the result in an intent. You can also issue intent that the user pick person content has a return to you to the return include URI point to choose content. Separate method of activity each type of component. First, you can start activity give the sometime new to do passive intent start activity or when you want activity return result start activity result. Second, on Android 5.0 API level 21 higher you can the job schedules class schedule action for the early Android version. You can start service give new instruction ongoing service on the passive intent start service. You can bind the service passive intent to the bind service. You can initial broadcast passive intent methods such as the send broadcast or send order broadcast. You can perform query component provide to the calling query content resolve manifest file before the node system can start the app component system. Now that component exists by reading the app the manifest file android manifest.xml. You app declare is the component file which the app root of the project directly. First, manifest does not number thing additional declare app component such as the following. First, identify any user permission app requires, such as the internet access, read the access user content. Second, declare the minimum API level required by app based on which API app used. Third, declare the hardware software feature required apps such as the camera, Bluetooth service, multi-touch screen. Fourth, declare API library app need to the link again other than Android framework API such as Google Map library. Declare component. The primary task manifest inform the about the app component. For example, manifest you can declare follow. यहाँ पे हम कोडिंग पे आए हैं, इसकी एक्सएमएल फाइल दिख रही है, यहाँ पे इसकी कोडिंग है, यहाँ पे एक्सएमएल वर्जन इज इक्वल टू 1.0 एंड कोडिंग इज इक्वल टू UTF-8 मैनिफेस्ट एप्लीकेशन android.icun drawbell app icon activity android.name.com example project example activity android.label string example label activity application manifest। यहाँ पे ये कोडिंग एक्सप्लेन की गई है एक्सएमएल फाइल की, एक्सएमएल मार्कअप लैंग्वेज की जो की गई है, एक्सएमएल मार्कअप लैंग्वेज की जो एंड्रॉइड एप्लीकेशन बनाई गई है, यहाँ पे इसकी कोडिंग एक्सप्लेन की गई है। यहाँ पे हम क्या लिए, एप्लीकेशन लिए, एक्टिविटी लिए, सब क्लास लिए है और एंड्रॉइड लेबल लिए है डिक्लेयर करने के लिए। यहाँ पे एक्टिविटी लिए है, सर्विस लिए है, एक्टिविटी लिए, सर्विस लिए हैं, रिसीवर लिए हैं और प्रोवाइडर लिए हैं। यहाँ पे सेम मैनिफेस्ट हो रहा है, कोडिंग हो रही है, एप्लीकेशन एक्टिविटी एंड्रॉइड नेम कॉम एग्जांपल प्रोजेक्ट ईमेल एक्टिविटी कंपोज एक्शन एंड्रॉइड नेम एंड्रॉइड इंटर एक्शन सेंड डेटा एंड्रॉइड टाइप कैटेगरी एंड्रॉइड अवॉइड इंटेंट एक्टिविटी और मैनिफेस्ट एप्लीकेशन क्लोज। यहाँ पे कोडिंग एक्सप्लेन की गई है। यहाँ पे एंड्रॉइड एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेफिनेशन एग्जांपल और कोडिंग। तो और भी इसमें हम पढ़ने वाले हैं और भी लेक्चर लेके आने वाला हूँ मैं। तो एंड्रॉइड एप्लीकेशन में हम पढ़ेंगे, कोडिंग करेंगे, प्रैक्टिकली करेंगे। तो आप लोग अच्छे से पढ़िए, अच्छे से समझिए और सीखने की कोशिश करिए। और भी इसमें बहुत सारे लेक्चर लेके आने वाला हूँ और मैं चैनल को सपोर्ट करते रहिए। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में, तब तक कीप वॉचिंग and thank you।